Good morning, year threes. As you know, I'm Miss Moira, and in this week's edition, we are looking at three-dimensional shapes. So today, I'll take you through the making of a cylinder and a cuboid. It is so simple. This is a task you can do at home, have fun, and have a good time, and not give a crazy time to mommy or daddy. Or you can ask your brothers and sisters to help you make these shapes. It's so simple. So stay there and watch closely. So, in order for us to make these shapes, we are going to need a stapler machine, white tape, a pair of scissors, manila paper for both the cylinder and the cuboid. So I have this green manila paper for the cylinder and the pink one for the cuboid, and also a cutout from a box. This is a cutout from a box. Stay there. So I have here the cutout from the box, of which I'm going to use to make a cylinder. It's straight, but then I'm going to fold it in. So I'll roll it like that. Here is how I've done it, and then I'll staple it using a stapler machine to make it firm. So after we have rolled the box cutout and stapled it, we're going to roll it again inside the manila paper. So look closely and watch me how I'm doing it. So I'm going to roll it like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it shows that it's a cylinder. As you can see, I have rolled the cutout inside the manila paper, and then I use the stapler machine to staple it and to make it firm, to make it hold. Because if you just leave it like that, it's going to be loose and you won't be able to fold it in. So after stapling it, I'll fold the manila paper inside, like that. See? Fold it in. I think this is where you need help from a brother or sister or mommy and daddy. So as you can see, I have rolled the paper in, and this is the look. But this look is not final. As you know, a cylinder is supposed to have a base. And you can find paper, you can use another piece of paper to cover the top and the base as well, to have this final look over here of a cylinder. Now that's a task for you to do. So here I have another manila paper, of which I'm going to use to make a cuboid. As you can see, it's supposed to be smooth, but then I tampered around with it, but that's okay. So to begin with, I'll just fold it in. 1, 2, and 3. I have folded it. I have folded the manila paper to come up with this flat shape. And then you loosen it like that, adjust it, and this is where stapling comes in again. So I'll use the stapler machine again to make it firm. So as you can see, this is stapled, and it looks like a cuboid, but we are not there yet. We have to cut the sides in order to fold the bases. So I'm going to cut this corner like that, and this one, not too much, but just enough. This side as well. And be careful when using those scissors not to cut yourselves, and this side as well. So after cutting, I'm going to fold them out like that. All the sides. So as you can see, I have cut and fold these sides out, and I've done the same on the other base. I've cut the sides and I'll fold them out as well, like that, quickly. So I've done both sides, and this is the remaining part. I'll fold it out as well in order to make a smooth straight line so that our bases can hold and make the cuboid look neat. And after that, after folding them out, oops, sorry about that. We'll take them in now, like that, like that. See, so easy, like that, to come up with this, you see? And I'll use tape to seal it and make it firm as well, so that they shouldn't be sticking out like that. So I'll use white tape, this tape, to seal the base. So year threes, this is how your cuboid should look, the final look, after folding it out and in and sealing it with white tape. I'm sure this is close to this. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And to spice things up, you can take your marker and make faces like this, whatever face you like. Maybe like SpongeBob, and you're good at drawing, you can draw a SpongeBob there, you know, things like that. So thank you for paying attention and for trying out to make shapes. Well, if you don't know where to get manila paper and other stationery, you can try and visit Paperwork. You find everything you need for your art and 3D shapes. Stay safe. Remember to wash your hands. Bye-bye.